Hello. Our topic for this lesson is questions 2. You need just 6 minutes to complete this lesson. Let's go over to our lesson objective. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to 1. Recognize question forms. 2. Identify WH questions and their examples. 3. Identify choice questions and their examples. Let us go over to forms of questions. Forms of questions. There are 4 forms of questions in English. 1. Yes or no questions. 2. WH questions. 3. Choice questions. 4. Question tags. All questions must end with a question mark. For this lesson, we will focus on WH questions and choice questions. Let's go over to WH questions. WH questions. WH questions are questions that begin with WH words. They use a certain word at the beginning of the sentence to ask a specific question. They use the same word order as yes or no questions, only that the WH word is put before the auxiliary verb. Examples: 1. Who. 2. What. 3. Why. 4. Where. 5. When. 6. How. Let's go over to examples of WH questions. Examples of WH questions. 1. Where is she going? 2. Why is she going? 3. When did you come here? 4. How did you meet her? 5. Whose children are playing in the yard? 6. When do they teach English? Note, questions about a subject, who, and what, have their own special structure. They do not require an auxiliary verb. We replace the subject with the question word. Let's go over to examples of questions about a subject. Examples of questions about a subject. 1. Sentence: We go to the cinema. Question: Who goes to the cinema? 2. Sentence: Most girls here wear skirts. Question: Who wears skirts? You see that after the question words who and what, the third person singular form of the verb should be used. WH words like what and how often requires another word afterwards. Examples: What time? How small? Let's go over to assignment. Assignment. You can pause the video and write out these sentences on your notebook. Read the questions and answers, then decide which WH question to use. One has been done for you. Let us go over to choice questions. 3. Choice questions. Choice questions are questions that offer a choice of several options as an answer. You might recognize them from your exams or tests as multiple choice questions. A multiple choice question is composed of 2 parts. 1. A part that identifies the questions or problem. 2. A set of alternatives or possible answers that contain a key to the best answer to the question. Multiple choice questions can have single select or multi-select answer options. Let's go over to examples of choice questions. Examples of choice questions. Choose the appropriate letters A, B, C or D. Instruction: change these sentences to yes or no questions. 1. Sentence: she is sweeping. Options choices: A. Is she sweeping? B. Is he sweeping? C. Is it sweeping? D. Are they sweeping? Answer: A is the correct answer. Is she sweeping? Let's go over to assignments. Assignment: you can pause the video and write out these sentences on your notebook. Answer the following questions. Let us go over to summary. In summary, we've been able to learn the following. 1. How to recognize question forms. 2. How to identify WH questions and their examples. 3. How to identify choice questions and their examples. I hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next lesson. Thanks, and goodbye.